Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My best wishes to all of who are listening and fine by the grace of God, Alhamdulillah. This is Shohil Rana. This today topic is my father. Now I am telling about my father. My father name is MD Yarlothi. He is a homemaker. My father is very kind. He loves me a lot. He takes care of me and family. He helps me study and business. He works very hard. I feel happy with her family and my father. I love my father very much. That's all for the time being. Thank you so much for your kind attention. So everyone support me and follow my video and Facebook page. Allah Hafiz.